Hola, Derek. How are you going? Okay.
Derek, scream.
I just did.
My YouTube will like that.
I heard it.
You heard that through Grady?
Yeah, through him. Mm.
You're gay. Whoa. That's not like...
Oh well, fuck 'em, dog. We're gonna see how hard they ride.
Get hyped for beach day! Oh wait, Beachwood Day is like the day after tomorrow. Or after that day. What the
I have a gun. Guys, I have a legendary scar in the lobby.
Oh my god, I love this gun. Look at this. Look how often this shoots. What the hell?
Zypho.
Look!
Zypho, why do you
never
name
knew.
yourself Zypho?
Look, Jason, look how fast this shoots. Look, Derek. Look at me. Look at me! What?
I don't know where you are.
Oh my god, that shoots so fast!
Why?
Why is your name Drunkle D?
Why is your name Queerfo?
Why is Franny's name Fran West?
Because.
Because.
You know Grady is playing Rust.
Russ is so
You know
annoying.
I'm playing Fortnite.
Are you actually?
Really?
You're fucking in my game.
He knows that, you dumbass!
I thought you were in
Shanique
Discord.
Weird.
Oh.
I thought you were playing
What?
Discord, man.
I
Okay.
am playing Discord, you asshole.
I'm fucked.
Yeah, me too.
Give me a fucking gun.
Oh, a gun, yes.
I hate Deegs.
I love Deegs.
I hate Deegs.
Oh my god, I got a choke job!
Ah! I won this guy!
Shut up!
Oh my god! I'm pausing
This guy's being little peepee.
Okay, stop.
I can't hit him.
La che che.